Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you everything about thumbnail. Everything means I will tell you what is the thumbnail and how to make thumbnail, what is the thumbnail size, what's the banner size, and how to create thumbnail, which tools are using for thumbnails. That's the free software. I will show you how to download that, and I will show you how to use that software so everybody can make thumbnail easily. So let's start my video. This is my thumbnail. I will show you how to make that, and I will tell you everything about secret tips of thumbnails. Then start my videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, then you can find many videos from my site. Thank you so much. Let's start my video. Okay friends, first I will tell you what is the thumbnail. Okay, when you open YouTube, there is, you can see here these things. This first photo we are seeing, this we call thumbnail. If there is no this photo, we don't know what is the inside. That's why we call this thumbnail. So first we need make good thumbnail and best thumbnail for people watching, and they like to click that. If I like this one, I can click that. Okay, there is some arrested, so that's why people click that. What is the who is arrested, like that. Okay, this we call thumbnail. Okay friends, now second thing is we need the tools or any software to make or create thumbnail. So I will tell you what is the best software, because there is so many software in Google Play, but we have to pay some money. So I will tell you free software. It called pixellab. I will show you this is the pixellab, and I will show you how to download it. Let's go to Play Store. You can see here I just type pixellab, then with P letters you can download it. Okay, I already downloaded. Now I will tell you how to use that. Okay, now you open this pixellab. When you open like that, this one I will before that use, so I will open again. So like this is the look like. First you open, then but you have to change the side means just change like this. Full screen size we called landscape. Okay, I will tell you now how to use everything one by one. So first thing we need to know what is the thumbnail size. What is the thumbnail size if you want to make thumbnail, or what is the banner size, what is the logo size, anything you need. First we need to know the size. So first we need to select the size. There you can see here three dot. Just click this three dot. You can see here image size. This one I will click that. Then you can see a small arrow. Just click it. You can see here custom, square, profile picture, YouTube channel banner, and YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, Google Plus cover photo, and Twitter. Okay, so we need YouTube thumbnail. So I will click this YouTube thumbnail. Okay friend, this is the YouTube thumbnail size. YouTube recommended 1:80 and 720. Okay, 1:80 and 720 is the YouTube thumbnail size. So just click OK. Now you can see full screen pictures are coming. So now you need to make thumbnail. You can ready to make thumbnail. So next thing is we can add anything, text. Okay, or you can add any text, you can add arrow, you can mark something, you can add your photo, you can add another photo. How many photo you can add? Just you can add anything. I will tell you everything about this one. So simple, make thumbnails. Just I delete this one. So first thing, how to add text. Okay, so you can see here number A means A mark. Just click this, then you can see here text plus. Okay, I click that plus mark. So there's two dot left side and right side. So I click this left side, click dot, then I drag it here. Okay, then I can text anything. Okay, I type anything. I type like this, how to create thumbnail, how to create thumbnail. Okay, right, again click OK. So now you look like this. Okay, there is no any balance. So there is, you can see right side small dot. Just click and drag it to right side. Again just move it to left side little bit, then like this. Okay, so then you can see here this is big now. Okay, now again you go to just move it to right side, then click this left side dot, then again drag like this. You can now fix it easily. Okay, now like this I click here how to create thumbnail. Okay, next thing is we need to add some background for the text. Okay, I will show you how to add background. Now you can see there is, just go to down like this, like this, like this. Now you can see here T. Okay, T letter there is written here down background, just click that. Okay, then you need to enable this, just enable. Okay, enable. Now you can select the color here. There is black color, I like yellow color always, so I select this yellow color, then make OK, right. Okay, then just you can see there is no any visible brightness, so I change this text color. So I have to change text color, just go up, you can see here color. Okay, again I make like this one black color. Okay, then click OK. You can change any color, white color, red color, any color. Okay, I click black color, then tick OK. Then I like to make some stroke mean just line from the outside. Okay, small line, it called stroke. So how to add stroke? You can see here many options are available. Okay, you can see edit, copy, to front, to back, position, related position, size, text size, padding, color, texture, opacity, rotation. You can make anything from here, just understand. I tell you the simple things only, so I will add some stroke. Okay, you can see, just enable this one, you can add white stroke like this. You can see this called stroke. Okay, I will make it again black. Okay, you can make big, there is not showing anything though, so you can see here. Okay, now it look like big letters. Okay, big text. Okay, I just keep here. Now we ready to, now first thing is ready. Okay, now if you like to add one photo here. Okay, I will show you how to add photos. So you can see here plus mark on the top, so just click this plus mark, then you can see gallery, from gallery. Okay, just click from gallery, so this is going to gallery. I will click this photo. Okay, it's show like this. Then you can see here down the top bottom there is tick mark. Okay, you can here click this dot, you can make bigger, you can make smaller, how much you need. So I like to, okay, drop it here. Okay, I can make any size like this. Okay, then again a little bit. Okay, right. Okay, I put here. So next thing is, again we can put some text down. Okay, I will put text down, or you can copy this text also. Just click on the top, then you can see here copy mark, copy option, just click copy. Then now you can see here drag easily, because no need to do anything, just click copy. Okay, so now you can change what you want to write here. I will write here best for YouTube, for YouTube. Okay, it is smaller. I will make, again I will use something best for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, right, best for YouTube thumbnail, right, like this. You can adjust also this one also, make it little bit smaller or make it little bit big, like that. Okay, now it's complete. Okay, now you can adjust this image to fix this area. Okay, right, like this. Okay, now I will show you how to add arrow and something else to this front side, this side. Okay, so again I will make some text. Okay, I will show you like that. I text this one. You need another text also, I will show you how to get that. Okay, so if you need another text, how to take, you can get from this plus mark also. You can see here text. Okay, if you don't like, you can see again another like that. This A, you can see on the top there is text. Okay, however you can get like that, then make it bigger, and I will type here. I will type wow and how. Okay, like this. Okay, so I will make it here. Like this you can fix it here. Okay, right. If you feel this is big, you can go to the text background option. Okay, just click background, enable. You can see here many options available. Padding. Okay, padding means something cropping. You can see crop padding means just I move like this, it's going to down like that. Okay, right, like this. If you want to write bottom padding, just like this you can arrange. Okay, now okay. Okay, so next thing, this is black color. I like to make it red color. Okay, again I have to go to background, I change to color to red. Okay, now I like to add some stroke to that text. Again enable, I like to add some. Okay, like this. Okay, so now I will show you how to add arrow here. Okay, in this area I will add arrow. So you can see here after the A, just click here, you can see the arrow mark here. Okay, just click arrow, it will show like this. Then you have to change the size. On the top there is a size option, I will click like this. There is arrow size also. Then go down opacity, I will show you like this. It can show like that. You can change the color, I will put here like the green color because there is a red color also. I will click green color, right. Again stroke, I can add a stroke also. I will like to add some stroke. Okay, white stroke like that. Then click OK. Now you can see like that. You can see a small dot, just you can make it smaller also. Okay, like this. You can make it move also. Okay, like this. Then I will put here. Okay, if you need more arrow like that, just click on the top, then click, I will show you copy. Okay, there is, you can see copy mark. Just click copy, you can see here. I will put it down here, copying one arrow. Okay, if you like to another copy, just touch on the arrow, then click copy. Okay, you can see here another arrow also copy. Okay, it will look like this. You can arrange however what you want. Okay, if you want to change this color, you can change anything, like that. No need to put same color. I show you this. Color background. Yeah, this color enable. You can see this red color, any color you can add. Okay, like that. I will keep same color before. Okay, same color. Okay, like that. You can add any, how many, like that. Okay, then I will tell you there's something you can draw. Draw mean you can see someone here something mark. Okay, you can see the draw. Oh, there is, you can change the color also. Okay, like that. Then pencil size, you can change the pencil size. It means you can mark something like this. You can see before many thumbnails are going to some mark like this. Okay, if you don't like that, just click this one, again going back. Okay, if you like to mark this one, my page, like that. Okay, or you can draw anything like this, anything, then go back if you don't like that, like this. Okay, now I think it's better for you. Then I click OK. There is, you can add shape also. There is, you can see shape. Okay, anything like this, you can make it round. Anything you can add, you can put one photo inside, anything you can do. Just little understand, this is simple small video for you. I think this is enough for you. I will tell you another things. You can change, just simple basic things is better. Otherwise you can understand everything when you find using this software. I think better for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want many videos about thumbnail, how to upload, how to put fix. Okay, I will show you how to fix also, how to fix in video. Okay, so let's go to video edit. this is Kind Master. I am editing from this one. Okay, like this. If you want to set thumbnail for video, you have to first add thumbnail. Okay, and last also you can add like this. Just click media, then first one is thumbnail. So that's why we can add thumbnail. It is visible first when you upload. Okay, I think this is enough for you. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you like this video, please make like. If you don't like, please unlike, no problem. If you like more videos, subscribe me, and I will add some end screen also. There is so many videos from my side. Thank you so much for watching. If there is no anything understand, just make one comment. I will reply you. So anything I would like to understand for you. Thank you so much. This is, I think, better for you. First time you can understand many times. Okay, I forget to tell something about how to save that. Just click this three dot and you can see this export image. So when you click the export image, you can save to gallery, you can share it also. Okay, so otherwise if you save to gallery, click that ad will come. So better you make a screenshot and crop it. You can use it, or otherwise you can click that save to gallery. So thank you so much. This is complete. Anything you need, just ask.